Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best wood dresser with 6 drawers, the Somdot Tall Dresser. This dresser stands out for its sleek design, practicality, and quality, making it an ideal storage solution for bedrooms, closets, nurseries, living rooms, entryways, and even hallways. The Somdot Tall Dresser measures 16.5 inches in length, 11.8 inches in width, and stands 45.3 inches tall. This compact yet spacious design makes it perfect for smaller spaces without sacrificing storage capacity. Each of the 6 drawers is uniform in size, measuring 14.4 inches long, 10.8 inches wide, and 6.9 inches deep, providing ample room for organizing clothes, accessories, or other household essentials. One of the key strengths of this dresser is its multi-purpose nature. Whether you need additional storage in your bedroom or a functional organizer for your nursery or entryway, this dresser fits effortlessly into a variety of settings. Its modern and simple wood grain print complements almost any decor style, blending seamlessly with other furniture or standing out as a stylish statement piece. The dresser is constructed from engineered wood, plastic, and metal, with a powder-coated finish that not only enhances its durability but also gives it a polished, refined look. The use of FSC-certified wood underscores Somdot's commitment to eco-friendly practices and responsible forestry, making it a sustainable choice for your home. Ease of assembly is another highlight. The dresser comes with all necessary hardware and clear instructions, allowing you to set it up quickly without any hassle. Plus, the folding drawers add convenience, making it easier to access your belongings while maintaining a tidy appearance. Practicality is further enhanced with side pockets and fabric bins included, perfect for storing smaller items or accessories you want close at hand. This thoughtful design detail increases the dresser's versatility and usability, giving you organized storage options beyond just the drawers. In terms of style, the dresser maintains a modern aesthetic with clean lines and a minimalistic approach. Its wood grain finish adds warmth and texture, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere wherever it's placed. Somdot also backs this product with professional customer support, ensuring any issues are addressed promptly to keep you satisfied with your purchase. In summary, the Somdot Tall Dresser with 6 drawers combines style, function, and sustainability in a compact design. It offers generous storage space while fitting perfectly in various rooms around your home. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-assemble, and eco-friendly dresser that can elevate your space, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more detailed product insights. See you next time.